Oh, there she is. Isn't she pretty? Hey, this is a quick video on how to, at the end of the season, how to store your salt spreader. As you all know, I did get a new one this year, and this is just a way to store it, be it inside or outside. I can, luckily enough, to be able to store mine inside. And I use, as you know, I got this brand new, November. It was a project to find it with this time of day, with everything going on. I basically got the last one at the dealership, and I called 3 or 4 other ones, and nobody had nothing. So we know how much they are. They're not cheap, and I want to keep it in fantastic shape. So this is what I did. Basically, when it was in the truck, I sprayed the daylights out of it, rinsed it out, got all the salt out. Mine is on a cart because, as you can see, we've got a mess in here. I'm still sheetrocking, trying to get everything organized, so I can jockey it around as I continue to sheetrock. So I basically just took some fluid film. After I rinsed it out, I fluid filmed whatever I could while it was in the back of the truck, and then I come, because the Polycaster can get stored the way I have it, standing on its back, which is kind of nice because I can be able to push it against the wall and be good to go. But I fluid filmed the daylights out of it, like everywhere, inside and out. I mean, and how heartbreaking is this? This was brand new in November, and being in back of my truck for 3 months, it's already got rust on it. It's fucking damn. That is heartbreaking. But I mean, you can see the thing is glossy. I mean, just spray anything you can that's not plastic. I mean, look at the motor, the glossy as can be. Paint's chipping off it. Brand new. Kind of irks me. Do your chain. I did here. And then I did, before I took out the truck, I had it open. Sprayed all the inside. Anything metal. Just spray the daylights out of it. I mean, even if you store yours outside, to have this protection on it is definitely good. And then you can fluid film it before the season, during the season, rinse it out regularly, because this salt just destroys anything metal. Like I said, it's got the regular fluid film. I got this at Walmart, and listen to this. There's still like a third of a can left in here. I bought 2 cans. They were like $19-20 a can, and there's still like a third of it left in here. The aerosol ran out, but guess what? I'm gonna bring both cans back, and they're going to give me 2 new cans. So I'll have 2 new cans for next year. So just because it's almost like a full can. But anyways, that's how how I store my spreader at the end of the year. And I hope that helps, but just do it, man. We know the investment we make in snowplow equipment, and we just, we want it to last. I have other spreaders outside that are all locked up. One of the reasons, I mean, I bought this 2 days before the first storm because I couldn't get mine unlocked, and I needed a new chain, drag chain, and I was out of luck. So it took me a while to get this one, but I got it, and I'm going to take care of it. Suggest you guys do too. Any questions, comments, like, subscribe, and there'll be no more snowplow talking. I don't think this year until my new truck comes in, but that ain't going to even come in until snowplow season starts up. I had to order it. Go figure. All right. Catch you next time.